Muling niyanig ng malakas na
When the
lindol ang
ground
Mindanao.
itself betrays you, where can you stand? On October 10th, a massive magnitude 7.4 earthquake struck off Davao Oriental. Hours later, another 6.7 aftershock hit the same area. Buildings cracked, tsunami warnings raised, thousands fled to higher ground, hundreds injured. All within hours, our minds crave stability. But when the very earth trembles, anxiety surges. Fear spreads faster than the quake itself. People run not just from falling debris, but from the terrifying truth: we are not in control. These are not random tremors. Jesus said in Mark 13:8, "There shall be earthquakes in diverse places." The ground is shaking, not just beneath our feet, but beneath our illusions of safety. Friend, these are not only earthquakes, they are tremors of time. A warning, a wake-up call. Jesus is not coming soon. He is already at the door.